I want to switch this porch light, show you how to change the porch light. It's not hard. I already have one screw out. Couldn't get it out with the screwdriver, so I'm try to use my drill. Okay. Old box. Ooh, it's cold. Alright. Try not to. Gino, turn that back off.
What? Turn it off?
Turn it back off.
Okay, one second. Coming to it. Alright. Is it off?
Yeah. You're good. Leave it off. Take off this old plate with a new. With a new light, you should get a new plate. Ooh. And then you're gonna see black and white. This is some old stuff. Try not to pull it too hard. Snip those off. All you got is black and white. Nothing else. Damn it. Black goes to black, white goes to white. Ooh, it's cold. Alright, this is garbage. Ugh. Then you'll have a new plate. That'll go right there. Alright. My Phillips back in there. If I can find it, yep. Everything should come with your light. Bam. These lights have these little screws to hold them on, which a lot of lights do. I'm gonna try not to drop it. It's gonna be hard. Okay, and it's got a rubber washer. Try not to drop this washer with my gloves on, or do drop it. The other screw. This is your bracket. These, try to move back. How about right there? Kind of measure. This is going to be sticking off the wall. This will be your wall. So, if it's in there, that would be your wall. Oh, still too much. Gotta go back a little more. Sometimes they can't go back because they end up hitting the box. But I'm gonna put it about right there. Don't want it back too much because then you can't get your little nut on there. You want it to kind of go even with the back plate, the wall. Alright. And then your little bag, usually if they're tied like this, you have your screws. Or you can use your own screws, which I think I can use these, so we're going to use these. If you don't have a ground in your box, try to tie it to a screw. The box usually is metal from outside, so it's pretty cold out here. It's not colder than up north in Canada, like way up north. Okay, out. The screws given to me. Probably even needs shorter screws, but we're gonna try these. I'm gonna put this way. Yep. These screws suck. Ooh, shit. Okay. Gonna use my own screws. Usually what I use is self-tappers for this, but it ends up messing up the box when you do that, so these screws are a little bit fat, so they should be okay. And they're not fine thread, it's a coarse thread. Should be okay. Too tight. Loosen that. And then hit this other screw. I guess it can be that tight, but you want to be able to move that around. Plus this likes to bend, so should be good. With the switch off, I'm going to cut these. Okay. Oh, damn it. Twist my hinge. Undo this ground. Loop my ground. So you got it hanging. Okay. Wire not your wires. This one's looking at me a little bit too hard to get to. Make sure the wire nuts are tight. Tight. This one's a little easier. And that's it. Make sure it's tight. Straighten that out. Tuck this all back in here. Uh-oh. Not good. Yep, not good. That's gonna come off. So I'm gonna tear this off. Because this damn thing's in the way, for one. And for two, it's just siding. It's not right. Alright. Gotta get something bigger. Get off there. under it either when it falls. I kind of don't want it to hit that light either, but it's not the end of the world. Oh, my arm is sore. Bam. Out of the way. Not a problem no more. Problems can be fixed easy. Alright. Trash. Okay. Alright. Gonna just stick this up here. Try to tuck that in there, try to keep this straight. And I'm gonna put silicone around it too. So, gotta catch them both. Okay. I'm gonna take off a glove without dropping it in the snow. Put a washer in a nut. Get one of them up there without dropping them. And voila, you have a light. But I will put clear silicone around that to stop water. Some have like a, what do you call it, a gasket, but not this one. They don't gotta be tight, it's gotta be snug. Straighten your light up and you're good. Gino, turn that light on.
Okay. That it?
All good. Yep, you can cut it off.
All right, turn it off.
Yeah.